Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, let's take a look again on the gold market. So yesterday we talked a lot about the intraday and shoulders pattern and explained why we think that there's more chance that this pattern will fail rather than its work. And despite that, well, at first glance it still keeps the shape and theoretical possibility exists that market could continue upward direction. Mostly, as we said, it stands directly in the shape of this pattern because upward direction was too small while the sell-off on the right arm is too strong. That's totally contradicts the idea of the bullish reversal pattern that should be vice versa. So the rising should be fast and the sell-off should be slow. That leads us to the conclusion that although we could get some pullback from the support area where the market stands right now, it's more probable that we will get another leg down. But it will be extended or not extended, but at least we suggest that it should be somewhere to the previous lows around 1850. That's the result of our yesterday discussion. Additionally, we have the bearish reversal bar on the daily chart, so that also suggests the same. So usually reversal bars have the continuation. It's very rare they just finish without any extension. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, you can see clearly what the shape we have. And now you easily could recognize the shape of the possible ABCD retracement here, which could give us the guardrail chip to sell. That's the perfect situation and actually the thing that we would like to get, especially if you intend to trade gold on the short side. For the daily traders, well, we should do nothing because we're mostly waiting for good levels to enter, and we need some clear bullish patterns. That's why here it's not our day. Because market's forming mostly bearish context, and as we discussed yesterday, we will be watching for maybe double bottom pattern, something that sort that at least could be formed, give some chances that it could happen. But currently, it's definitely not the point for taking the new long position. And take a look, even situation could become even more bearish because, well, ABCD pattern suggests a bit deeper upward action, while here, within a few hours, we could get the bearish grabber. If it will be formed, so market could continue downside action immediately without any completion of the AB equals CD pattern on the hourly time frame chart. So keep an eye on this possible add-on to this construction. If still ABCD pattern will be formed, we will get something of that sort. So you can see that's our primary pattern. It's ABC top. It's just OP around 1849. That actually explains why we still think that, well, at least we will be watching for forming of the double bottom if it will be formed, because target of this stands to the OP. If market will start to reverse to the upside, showing Russian ring, some bullish patterns, well, that will be chance to go long. But before that, we will intend to be flat and take no positions on the long side of the market. On the upside, you take a look at the ABCD pattern will be completed. It will happen slightly above 1902.65 fib level. So it will be somewhere 1903, 1904. That's the point to consider for taking the short position if you intend to go short and if you have an idea of taking the position with the target around 1849. So as you can see, everything in general is going with our training plan, our scenario. Two different setups we have potentially. The first one, it could be today. It's just within a few hours, market will drop either immediately based on the grabber that we have on the follow time frame chart, or it will complete this ABCD pattern, but, well, that will not change the core. Second scenario potentially stands on the market, but I suggest that probably it will happen only on the next week. If market will reach 1850, this will happen probably not tomorrow or on Friday. So it's maybe more time will needed to market to complete it. So let's keep watching what will happen. This gold market provides relatively clear stops. It's easy to trade.